Hi, Dr. Gay from Integrative Wellness Options, Erie's Holistic Health Clinic on 4906 Richmond Street and 906 Grove Street in Meadville. Today I'm going to talk about one of my faves, mind body. And a research study using nanotechnology studied the brain and how it affects the mind body. So think of your brain as an antenna with either fast and furious vibrations running through it that are inextricably going into each organ and gland that it serves, or calm and cautious, which again is the brain's function going into specific organs and glands. Again, the brain is the antenna. It picks up the frequencies of your thoughts. So if your thoughts are zigging and zagging, you're obviously going to be zigging and zagging as you think, and that's all going into the organs and glands. So respiration, heart function, all this is entailed with the brain, sending out the signals. It's the antenna taking in your thoughts and sending them into specific areas of the body that correlate to organ and gland function. Now, the unique thing about it is there are different thought patterns that affect different organs and glands. We know that. So it's no longer a philosophical thought of there's a mind-body connection and everything. We know now there is, and it's the brain that plays the major role. It's the antenna that carries the frequencies of your thought. Are they chaotic? Are they filled with fear? Or are they balanced and calm and cautious? And whichever direction you move in will relate to how your organs and glands are going to operate. Think in terms, too, of sports. We've all played in team and individual sports at some time. And those that get excited and upset typically don't play as well because fear, trepidation, anger, feelings of inadequacy can affect your game. And we all know, we've all experienced it sometime or another. We were not in the zone when we should have been. So zone and mindfulness thinking, meaning we're targeting our thoughts to be calm and not explosive, fast and furious, to keep that frequency from that antenna in the brain sending calm energy throughout the body, which we know is all interconnected and all linked. And I think that's something that is really awesome to realize. It is the brain that is going to direct either what we would call chaotic thoughts or calm thoughts, the two C's, chaotic or calm. You choose. And when we're calm, we also make better decisions because we've been able to focus and think through our decision making. And if we get chaotic, by the same token, it works in the reverse. Things don't work out. Things become discombobulated. And at that point in time, you're beginning to think, I'm not in the zone. I need to be balanced. And balance means calm and cautious, both. So I'm going to show you a breathing exercise called pranic breathing. And it's one of the different forms of pranic breathing, which is very good for mindfulness, keeping your brain function calm and cautious. You do not fill your cheeks as you take a inhalation. So we're going to inhale through our nostrils. And I always say about 7 times, and then exhale 7 times by pursing your lips and blowing out. So 7 in, and then purse the lips. And we get optimal oxygenation. And realize also that as we are exercising, we're giving off endorphins, happy hormones. That makes us feel good. Exercising creates the happy hormones known as endorphins, which makes us feel good, makes us feel like we're in the zone. So does pranic breathing. So, again, be mindful of your thoughts. Calm your brain. Be cautious in your decision making. Think things out and realize that your actions are being sent via the vibrations going into the brain, which are your thoughts. And those thoughts can either be chaotic or they can be calm. If you do this on a regular basis, you will notably sleep better at night, have less anxiety, have less fear, and feel more self-empowered. Stay fit and healthy. If you'd like to contact me, 814-573-3169. And I would also invite you to get a hold of me about my audiobook, Good Vibes, Bad Vibes, because it goes into all of this. The mind-body connection and the thoughts we think, the food we eat, and the environment that surrounds us all dictate our health. Bye-bye now. Stay fit and healthy.